Yep, let's get some POV action. Still feel like those upgraded axles that you can get the kit, they're called Hayuku whatever. I don't even know, I can't even pronounce the name right, but yeah, aftermarket axles in the rear. So like I still feel like that resistance in the back. I feel like the plunger or whatever it is, where it goes like this, I think that part is pretty much I think it's bad. So that's why I'm having like vibration still at highway speeds around like 90, 100 over there. You can really feel it. So I did pick up some OEM 370Z axles, which is like really good. They go for like $1,000 each on each side, US. So I have those sitting. I'm gonna put those on. It's not like a crazy like emergency I need to put it in right now, but it's gonna put it in probably, you know, when the car's in the garage, stored for a bit, and then I'll work on it. So yeah, gonna change that, and then I already got a bunch of parts coming for the boost. So I got a couple more things. I think I got like 4 more things I need to buy, and pretty much have everything that I need to install. That's the update on that. So let's just enjoy some driving for now until I get there.